Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Today I'm going to unbox this new set of arrow that just arrived today after a very long time, around a month for it to arrive from China to Malaysia. So let's unbox this. I've already opened this site. This is a set of carbon arrows from China. Okay, so this is it. This is the Pandarus Elite Aluminium carbon arrows. I bought 1 dozen of this. This is 3.2 millimeters in diameters aluminium carbon arrows. The spec of this is spine 530 and the straightness of 0.06. Okay, the seller is kind enough to include all of this in this package are free gift. So they included 12 pieces of point, which I think this is the 120 grains if I'm not mistaken, and also knocks and pins, 2 sets, a small one and a large one for the compound. So let's see how this arrow looks like. Looks quite okay. This is a small diameter arrow which is intended for long range shooting. Okay, I will set up this arrow for my compound and you'll see what kind of arrows are this. If you like to know more about this, I'll put a link in the description for where to buy this arrow. This is pretty cheap. This one is $72 or roughly around 290 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, that's all for today. I'm going to set up this arrows later. See you again next time. Assalamualaikum. Bye.